My dear students, as you all know that today we are together to have a group discussion on the topic how to make learning more effective in classes or schools. So I have briefed you what you people need to do, right? First of all, you will be reading your points, whatever you have written, and then you have to reach to 5 common points that you want, and you all should agree to those 5 points. So let me start with Mr. Shaurya, first of all. Yeah, Shaurya, you can start, first of all.
Teaching in a simplified way, game-based learning, a proper connect with teacher, a very good type of group discussion, a very friendly way of teaching any topic.
Okay.
We must have a right environment. We should have a purpose. We should understand the topic carefully. We should eliminate these things from which we are distracted by our goals. We should practice regularly. We should create plans and work on on daily basis.
Okay.
Find ways to boost your memory. Always keep learning new things. Use a variety of learning techniques. Try teaching it to someone else. Connect new information to things you already know.
Okay, Anshika, what are your points?
Teachers should improve their teaching skills. Teachers should discuss important points practically and they sure that students understood it or not. Teachers should do different activities with their students. They should do group discussion, take different ideas from the students. They should speak in English and tell the students to speak in English with they speak wrong sentence. Teachers should correct that sentence. We make learning more effective in schools by doing group discussions and learning by doing. Teachers pay attention to all the students so the average and the below average student will participate in activities and perform better. The connection between the teachers and the student is important for effective learning.
Great.
The teacher motivates the student that they never give up so the student will more passionate.
Okay, good. About
We
you?
should do practical learning and they should be divided. We should divide learning by speaking, listening, seeing our presentations, and moreover we can do a group discussion for better learning. If we divide the learning, so the student will get more easily and it will take time, but knowledge is more important than everything.
Great, Aradhya. So I believe, okay, Rakshita is left. Rakshita, what are your points? What are your views on this?
Don't need to first explain your student. First need to listen to the student.
Okay, great.
Teachers should do different activities in classrooms like English speaking skills, do maths questions on board. All the teachers should improve their teaching skills and understand her child. First, all the teachers should make a friend of her student. First, they should understand her child.
Okay, great. So these are all the points that you all have mentioned. Now I want to have a discussion and I want you to reach 5 common points, right, that you all agree to. So you can start, please. Yes.
I agree with Rakshita point, which was last meeting. Teachers should do different activities. Not that teachers should understand the child, and then they should start.
A bit louder, please.
One point is get back.
Yeah, what is the other point? Come on, keep talking. It has to be a discussion. Arjun, you can speak, don't worry.
There are 5 points. What about my point that we should divide our studies
Say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
I have one problem. Every kid is their how they understand
Moreover, they are not easily understanding in English, so the teacher should make them understand Hindi also.
Yeah, this is a great point that Ms. Aradhya is making. I believe that it is truly sensible. At times हिंदी में हम बात कर सकते हैं, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है, जिससे कि और कनेक्ट बनेगा स्टूडेंट के साथ और वो समझ सके. What else do you want to put, Arjun? Come on. Okay. Sure, what was your point? Yeah.
I am agree with that.
Okay. Anshika?
I will agree with Anshika's point.
Okay, which point do you agree to?
The teacher should improve their teaching skills.
Teaching skills. So teachers should be more updated. They should first of all study themselves before coming to the class for any topic. Okay. What else do you want to say? Come on.
I have agreed with the Soumya point
Okay.
of a right environment of full learning.
Oh, great. This is wonderful. So what are how many points we have decided to? 4 points? 4? So what next is left, Aradhya? Anything else you want to add to the last point?
Sir, I agree with Manav Bhaiya's point.
You agree to Manav Bhaiya's point? What is Manav Bhaiya's point?
Teacher pay attention to all the students, so the average and the below average student will participate in activities and perform better.
Okay, that's great. So these are the 5 points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So I really am very happy to see that all of you have participated in this group discussion. This is the first time we are having this kind of activity. I hope you all enjoyed it, right?
Yes, sir.
And thank you all very much for your great contribution. From the Young Minds family, we are a unique innovative education center where we discover the true potential of a student, and we listen, we care, we handhold a child, right? So thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.